Hello, teacher. Hello, everyone. My name is Natalia Caicedo. I present phase 3. My postcard is the Green Wall of China. Welcome. Harbin is the north of China, in which place there is one of the 7 worlds on the third world, and one of them is the Green Chinese. Well, its places are as at Green History Bay. They were and very beautiful nature. Once landscape finish. Is place bright day at reflects tranquil can be described as the wave of the onions or rainers. Thank you. Bye.